तरुण बहुत गंभीर बच्चा है, कुछ ईश्वर प्रदत्त, कुछ परिस्थिति जन्य।
There was someone to take care of everything, so that everything runs very smoothly. So I was that kind. I'm still like that. I still like things to be very much organized. I lost my father at a very young age, and after his death, because I was 21 that time, I got a lot of legal notices and summons from different courts, different matters. I had no clue about all that. I kept on signing for around half an hour, 45 minutes. I never knew what was I signing. So that was the first time I felt, okay, I think I have done something wrong. I felt a little vulnerable that time, that something is wrong and maybe I need to do something about it. And I don't know how, while Googling, I got through the website of Law Seco. Something popped up, a course. And Law Seco took care of that. Like, it wasn't a professional thing. They took it very personally. And I started off with that.
वो बहुत काबिल और समझदार बच्चा है। समझदारी से मेरा मतलब आप समझिएगा मैच्योरिटी।
हम लोगों को धीरे धीरे सेशंस के थ्रू अपवर्क और फाइवर के बारे में बताया जाने लगा था. That's how I came to know about them. And Law Seco really helped each and everyone. And there were people who built a career there. I know about them. I had joined in November 2022. In around a month, I had landed up with my job. And I have my own law firm, LFS Legal Consultants. I have my team. We also deal in criminal matters, but personally, I look into corporate matters and mediation. I studied throughout in the University of Lucknow itself. My mother is a professor there. I did all my degrees from there. And later on, I completed my LLB from there as well. LLB and my LLM too. And with me, whenever we were in camping or anywhere out, they were very happy because everything was done at the right time. So there was someone to take care of everything, so that everything runs very smoothly. So I was that kind. I'm still like that. I still like things to be very much organized.
तरुण बहुत गंभीर बच्चा है, कुछ ईश्वर प्रदत्त, कुछ परिस्थिति जन्य। ईश्वर ने भी उसे शुरू से ऐसा बनाया, बहुत ही समझदार बच्चा था। कभी लगा ही नहीं कि कोई परेशानी मैंने दी होगी उनको, एज आई फील एज ए मदर, बट कभी भी मेरे बच्चों ने मुझे परेशान नहीं किया।
I lost my father at a very young age, and after his death, because I was 21 that time, they were very depressing because there were a lot of things going on I wasn't really aware of. I think in around 2.5 hours, I got a lot of legal notices and summons from different courts, different matters. I had no clue about all that. I still remember one of my lawyers were there because there was a lot of documentation that had to be done, and I kept on signing for around half an hour, 45 minutes. I never knew what was I signing. I couldn't understand. So that was the first time I felt, okay, I think I have done something wrong. I felt a little vulnerable that time. I wasn't very much sure that what is going on. Where am I heading? Later on, because my mother is also a very strong lady, she chose the career for me. She wanted me to become an advocate.
शायद कहते हैं ना हमारी हिंदी में कि बानक बनते चले गए, और क्योंकि तरुण थोड़ा सा अच्छा बोलने वाले थे तो मुझे लगा ये प्रोफेशन उसके लिए ठीक रहेगा। और जब मेरे हाथ में उस प्रोफेशन की चीज़ें आई तो आई थॉट कि एक प्रोफेशनल डिग्री ऐसी होनी ज़रूरी है आजकल बच्चों के लिए, तो मैंने उसको प्रोत्साहित किया उसके लिए, और वो उसको दिया। टाइम कम था बट उसने मेहनत की और उसके रिजल्ट्स ठीक आए उसके लिए।
When there are so many uncertainties around you, when you know there are people who kind of want to hurt you directly or indirectly, so there is nothing people say to each other. So yes, I could sense it, that something is wrong and maybe I need to do something about it, and that's the best way. That was the best thing I could do. So my first internship was with Mr. Shobit Saxena. He is an advocate practicing in the High Court Lucknow bench. He is the additional chief standing counsel, UP government, and he is an elder brother to me. My guru, my first guru. If I talk about my legal journey, working under him was magical because he created a safe environment for me. Always, he still does that whenever I work with him on any case, and I felt so much confident, liberated and safe around him. I interned in the Supreme Court also with Mr. Aditya Sharma, senior advocate there. It was amazing. Lots of opportunities, lot to learn, new place, very healthy environment. So I was just trying to search someone who can help me with the drafting. And I don't know how, while Googling, I got through the website of Law Seco. something popped up, a course that I enrolled myself. That was Advanced Drafting and Negotiations. And they told me about the course. I was very happy, and I enrolled. And that time, I never wanted to take money from my family for that. And the course was a little expensive. I was skeptical about that. And LawSeco took care of that. Like, it wasn't a professional thing. They took it very personally. They made sure that I enrolled. There's no liability on me that I can't match with. And I started off with that. People, they always try to press you on that. Just enroll. They were not like that.
Right.
They gave me enough time to think over it.
Okay.
I went through the curriculum, and later on I joined. So I felt really safe with them. I was confident.
और उस समझदारी की वजह से बहुत परेशानियां झेलने के बाद उस बच्चे ने जो कुछ अपनी मेहनत से पाया है, उससे ज़्यादा मैं उसके कोर्स को या उसकी चीज़ों को उतना नहीं समझ सकती कि उसकी स्पेस क्या है। यूनिवर्सिटी में होने के बाद जितना मेरी समझ में आता है उतना मैं उसको बताती भी हूँ, बट दैट इज़ नॉट सफिशिएंट फॉर हिम। बस उसने अपनी राहें खोजी, उनमें जो वो गया आगे और जो कुछ उसने पाया, मेरा आशीर्वाद उसके साथ है, नथिंग एल्स।
इंटरव्यू में बहुत हेल्प हुई। इंटरव्यू में मुझे कुछ बुलेट पॉइंटर्स दिए गए थे, बताया गया था, क्योंकि मेरा तो पहला था, मुझे पता नहीं था क्या करना है, कैसे करना है। They had helped me. I think I spoke to Swati Lekha ma'am. She and Priyanka Karwa ma'am, they were really helpful. They were my point of contacts whenever things went wrong for me or I was a little nervous. For that matter, even in the later stages, Abhyuday sir also, he also guided me in a lot of things. हम लोगों को धीरे धीरे सेशंस के थ्रू अपवर्क और फाइवर के बारे में बताया जाने लगा था. That's how I came to know about them. बट बिकॉज आई स्टार्टेड वर्किंग, तो मुझे फ्रीलांसिंग की बहुत नीड नहीं थी और मेरे पास टाइम भी नहीं बचा था. देयर वाज नॉट मच टाइम लेफ्ट. बट येस, देयर वाज प्रॉपर ट्रेनिंग गिवन टू ईच एंड एवरी स्टूडेंट. देयर वाज सेपरेट सेशंस फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट, एंड LawSeco really helped each and everyone. And there were people who built a career there. I know about them. I had joined in November 2022. In around a month, I had landed up with my job as an in-house counsel in Lucknow, with a company working as a contractor with the NHAI. And I still remember the project. I was working on the Delhi-Vadodara Expressway, the first patch of it, Delhi-Jaipur, that had to be inaugurated by the Prime Minister himself. So I was working on that with that company, with NHAI. Even one of my international opportunity was given to me by LawSeco itself. The first one. It was a paid opportunity, and they were very kind enough to give me the opportunity. They were confident that I can handle it. I was quite new to it. Still, I had proper backup and guidance for that. And the task was completed successfully. And I remember it was Priyanka Karwa ma'am. She was there for that. With LawSeco also, I'll tell you something very honestly, which I told each and every student that had contacted me. So I told them, don't consider it like a course. Just consider it like an opportunity. And if you're thinking about the amount behind it, definitely it's amount. If not everyone can afford it, I just told them, just think that you're investing on yourself. As long as you are disciplined, as long as you are 100% true to it, it will pay you. He was very kind enough to guide me in a lot of things. Okay. Always available to talk whenever I need, when there's a particular issue that I need to discuss. So yes, he has been an inspiration and a motivation. Apart from all other mentors that I had in LawSeco, like everyone had a very important role. One word, I felt liberated. And I say that because once you learn something new, it's a skill that you learned and it will pay you. Initially it was paying like for my pocket money and for the course, for the EMI and everything. And later on, it turned out to be a very huge thing for me, because I started getting a lot of money because of that. So I felt liberated. It's because of that I was able to concentrate more on my litigation part also, because my bills were paid by my clients, my corporate clients, and that was done because I was really helped by LawSeco. They feel quite safe that their son or their brother, he is a lawyer, he is practicing at the Supreme Court, things are in control, so obviously they feel happy. Mother's really happy that at least all that struggle finally came to an end. And I made my mark.
कभी कोई चीज़ कहते ना कि बच्चे नुकसान करते हैं, मुझे नहीं याद है कि कभी मेरे बच्चों ने कोई नुकसान किया, ना ज़बान से ना अपनी हरकतों से. मुझे कभी समझाने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ी. वही लोग मुझे समझाते हैं कि ऐसा मम्मी है ऐसा. They are so understanding. और तरुण is quite mature from his birth.
The only thing I had in my mind, I still have in my mind, is I don't want any kid to suffer the way I suffered after losing my father, or even after starting my career in law. I just wanted to make things better. I'm not saying I'll just change the whole system or something, but yes, whatever I can do on my own for anybody, just making things easier for them, helping them. I try to do that. I still try to do that a lot.
टोटल रिफ्लेक्शन है अपने फादर का। वो सीक्रेटिव उन्हीं तरह है, अंडरस्टैंडिंग उसी तरह है, और पर्सनालिटी से भी लुक्स में आ जाता है। शक्ल नहीं मिलती लेकिन लुक्स में फादर की तरफ है, कुछ चीज़ों में उनसे ज़्यादा समझदार है।
I am practicing with the Supreme Court. I have registered myself there, and I also practice in the High Court Lucknow bench in Allahabad, and I have my own law firm, LFS Legal Consultants. I majorly deal into corporate matters. I have my team. We also deal in criminal matters, but personally I look into corporate matters and mediation. We have a tie-up with 4 international law firms. We have one from Australia, Switzerland, US and UK. In most of the cases where you're not aware of a lot of things, and when you are in that situation, when you can't do much about it, you are quite young, people take advantage, and that the same thing was happening with me also. I just took away everything from them. I started handling my matters on my own. They were pretty shocked that how come I be so much confident about it, because they were not aware that I was pursuing LLB. So when I enrolled myself, that's the time I told them about it. I think I remember the expression. They were pretty much shocked and disheartened, because all the money flowing in was just stopped at once. So at that time people try to say that don't worry, we are with you, even if you're handling the matter, we'll help you, blah 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 and all that. There was no punchline, but there was a direct punch on their faces. That's it. I think courts should start incentivizing at least the first year lawyers who are not that fortunate enough, they lack money. Please help them learn more skills apart from the practical ones that they are learning in litigation while visiting the courts daily. It can be anything, like AI is emerging in this sector also as well. So there should be programs, training programs. Why limit ourselves? Let's help the lawyers upgrade themselves as well. Let's provide them opportunity, let's provide them options. I want to be an AOR because my practice is not enough right now to appear for that examination, but I do want to become an AOR at the Supreme Court of India.
So everyone knows कि एग्जिस्टेंस होना बहुत ज़रूरी है और अच्छी एग्जिस्टेंस होना ज़रूरी है. So that is the thing जिसके लिए वो भी सोचता है और हम भी सोचते हैं, और वो पूरी कोशिश उसको पाने की करता है. वो बहुत वर्सेटाइल बच्चा है और अपने करियर में भी हाई होना चाहता है. बाकी ईश्वर की मर्जी है. देखिए हिंड्रेंस आती हैं, परेशानियां भी आती हैं, ऐसा नहीं कि सब कुछ मिल जाता है. बट ही वॉज नोइंग, और धीरे धीरे खुद उसने अपने पंख फैला के उसको समझना शुरू किया, एम्बिशन पैदा की. कुछ नहीं मिली, कुछ मिलने में टाइम लग रहा है, तो वो थोड़े सी समझदारी के साथ उन रिग्रेट्स को लेके चलता है. दुख भी होता है कभी कभी, ऐसा नहीं है. आपके अप्स एंड डाउन्स भी आते हैं लाइफ में, लेकिन लाइफ इज़ लाइफ.
When I started working, and suddenly one fine day I realized that in every workplace, like anywhere you're working, it's very hard to get friends. So stop searching friends there, start working on yourself, and you are the only one who will do it for yourself. No one else will. It's a competitive world. People are really cunning. Right. The earlier you realize the fact, the better for you.